Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to enable Google Analytics Enhanced Ecommerce. Enhanced Ecommerce for Google Analytics can offer a goldmine of valuable information about your users' purchases and shopping behavior. With some of its more advanced features, Enhanced Ecommerce can even provide insight into the performance of your product list and internal promotions. Google Analytics Enhanced Ecommerce enables product impression, promotion, and sales data to be sent within any of your Google Analytics page views and events. Use page views to track product impressions and product purchases, and use events to track checkout steps and product clicks. Now you know why it's great and everybody should be using it. Let's walk you through on how to enable it. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The first thing that you need to do is to log into your Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. Click Admin located at the bottom left of the page. Under the All Website Data, click E-commerce Settings. Turn on the Enable E-commerce switch as well as the Enable Enhanced E-commerce Reporting switch. Please be advised that if you're using the old version of Google Analytics, you may need to update or use the latest dashboard before you can enable this. Add your funnel steps. This would be the process that your customer is going to do online. This is from visiting the site until checking out the item. You can follow my steps for this is going to be the typical customer journey. So it should start from add to cart, cart login, address, credit card information, order review, and order complete. Once you've typed all of your funnel steps, click the Save button. Since we already have enabled the Enhanced E-commerce on Google Analytics, we also need to enable it on our e-commerce website. So let us enable it on Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin at www.shopify.com. Click the Online Store Sales channel and select Preferences on the drop-down. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section and tick the box that says Use Enhanced E-commerce. Save the changes and you're all set. To view the reports on Google Analytics, you can go to Conversions, E-commerce, then Shopping Behavior. Your reports should start generating in a couple of hours. So that is how you enable Enhanced E-commerce on your Google Analytics. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on social with the links below. Thanks for watching!